so we're gonna do some tabletop lateral leg lifts. Again, an isolation type movement. We wanna get set up in our tabletop. So hands are gonna be underneath the shoulders, knees are gonna sit underneath the hips. It's up to you if you wanna keep these toes tucked or let them flatten out. I'm gonna go with toes tucked. We need to shift our weight into the right knee if we're gonna work on our left leg first. I'm actually gonna move my right knee in, as you can see here, underneath my weight a little more. And then I'm gonna pick up my left leg and raise it, keeping that 90-degree bend in the knee, trying to get that thigh opened up so that it's parallel to the floor. So if I go from a different angle, just so you can see, shift it into my right leg, left leg opens, keeping the weight evenly distributed in the hands and the shoulders, and then just drawing the knee back in to meet the supporting knee.